Name, year of birth, gender, and nationality. One person, one life, please. Yeah. I want you to write your name, year of birth, gender, and nationality. One person, one life, please. Yeah, thank you.
Ayan, may nakita na akong enforcer. Ayan guys, nag-iisa, bata pa. Tayo po ay papuntang Nenbi. Galing tayo ng Hanoi. Nenbi, ang daming nakamotor guys. Kahit si nanay mo. Sige na eh. Oo, sabi nga daw, nakamotor daw lahat. Open niya. Thank you. Meron silang free water guys. Free water. And guys, ang importer nila nag-isa. Naghahanap ako ng Yakult Lady. Nokia, Samsung. Ang cute. Hindi naman daw brand out doon. Yung? Ah, ganun. Ay no, meron silang Bienfast. Ano din siya? Motor. Ang daming ganito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Vietnam car. Welcome to Vietnam Railways. Ayun guys. Ano to? Hanoi. Hanoi Station. Ayun guys. Hanoi Station. So parang Pilipinas lang din style. Wala akong makitang Yakult Lady. Sana meron doon. Hello. Grab. Grab food. Wow. Ano to? Taco. BMW. Sa labas. Oo. Ang init talaga dito guys sa Vietnam. Ayan. Ito yung sinakyan natin papunta Nenbi. Andun sila sa unahan. Kami nasa likod. Bahay Hoi. Ano yun? Bahay Hoi? Oo nga. 69K. Marami din mga Pilipino eh. May Honda sila. Tsaka yung motor nila dito kahit naka-tsinelas, okay lang. Tsinelas, kahit walang sapatos. Oo nga eh. Ang ganda ng Bienfast nila. Vietnam car. Ha? Oo nga eh. Sige nga. Ha? Sibang. Meron. Baka na nasa ano yun, mga barangay na. Ay yung tren, no? Daanan ng tren. Ayun guys, yung daanan ng tren. Tsaka karamihan dito mga nagmumotor, mga babae. Mga babae nagmumotor dito guys, karamihan.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and xin chào, everybody. Yeah. Xin chào is greeting in Vietnam, so you can say anytime and anywhere. And now we are finished pick up this morning here today, and thank you everyone for being on time. And
Oh, may
waiting.
dagat na.
Vietnam only gained independence in 1975, and currently Vietnam economy developing very fast, and the number of vehicles has increased suddenly, and the traffic system is not enough to meet the demand, and the traffic jam often happen. Yeah, and I think in a few years the traffic situation has improved. If you back to Vietnam, it's the next time you will see Vietnam has changed a lot, but one thing never changed. Vietnamese people are very friendly and hospitable. Yeah, I'm very proud about that. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself and a driver here today. My name is Dang. Yeah, you can spell your name is D-A-N-G. Yeah, Dang. I'm 31 years old. I come from Thái Nguyên City. My province at the north of Hanoi, and my province is famous for tea products. Yeah. And for call me easier, you can call me David. Yeah, my English name. And one more person is very important today. Is our driver, Mr. C. Mr. C now is the most handsome driver in our company. Yeah, and Mr. C, he has more than 30 years experience for driving big buses like this, and he also take care of belongings such as phone, wireless camera. If you leave them on the bus,
Driving
and
very
today we
texting.
will travel on the same bus, the same driver for the whole trip. Yeah, and that about me and our driver. And now we goodbye Hanoi, goodbye 8 million people, goodbye 6 million motor and scooter, goodbye to the crowded, noisy and bustling capital, and we are heading to Ninh Bình. Yeah. From Hanoi to Ninh Bình is about 100 kilometers, and we need more than 2 hours from here go there. From Hanoi to Ninh Bình, we will to 3 provinces and city, and the first city we tour over is Hanoi City. And you know now Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam, established over 1,000 years ago. Hanoi has many tourist attractions such as Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, the Temple of Literature, Vietnam First University, the One Pillar Pagoda, Hoàn Kiếm Lake, Long Biên Bridge, Hỏa Lò Prison, and the Old Quarter is a popular destination. In the Old Quarter, you can explore the bustling market, a street vendor, and street food with many local dishes. Ha means the river. No means inside. Hanoi means the city inside the river. And the river I'm talking about here is a Red River. The Red River have a pink color in the water. And the Red River is not only the main water source for agriculture, but also closely connected to the history, culture, and life of Vietnamese people. The river brings a rich alluvium, creating favorable condition for farming, especially for growing rice, the main food of Vietnamese people. And after Hanoi, we will go to Hanam. Hanam is very nice countryside, and but we stop at Hanam about 30 minutes for break at the restaurant. At the restaurant, of course, have a restaurant for you. Also, coffee shop will serve for bánh mì as breakfast if you did not have a breakfast yet, and a good place to buy some souvenir for you and family if you want to. Yeah. And after Hà Nam, we will go to Ninh Bình. Ninh Bình is a province of Vietnam in the Red River Delta region of the northern part in the country. The province is famous for natural and cultural attractions. And when you arrive in Ninh Bình, the first thing you will notice is fresh air and the simplicity of Vietnamese countryside. Yeah. And today we have the trip called Hoa Lư, Tràng An, Hang Múa. Now I will introduce the itinerary and the activity for you. About tomorrow, the bus will arrive at the first destination,
Ang ganda ng
Hoa Lư,
Vietnam car guys.
ancient capital. Yeah.
Meron pa
You
silang
know
mas
now
maliit
Hanoi
dyan.
is the capital of Vietnam, but more than 1,000 years ago. Hoa Lư is the first capital of Vietnam, not Hanoi. Yeah. Everyone have about 1
Ang dami
hour
sasakyan
to
dito.
visit the temple of Kinh Dinh.
Ang traffic guys.
To visit the 1 hour to visit the temple of Kinh Dinh.
Magulo yung
And when
kalsada
you
nila.
finish to visit the temple of Kinh Dinh, everyone return to the bus, and the bus will go to our restaurant. Before we enjoy the buffet lunch, everyone
Hospital.
enjoy the cycling by bicycle. Yeah, cycling about 30 minutes. Yeah. If you enjoy the cycling, you make sure you know use bicycle. Yeah, because of a lot of foreigner a long time don't use bicycle. You are confused. Yeah, sometimes it's falling on the ledge and falling on the rice field. Yeah, when the motorbike and the car come suddenly, and you confused and falling on the ledge and it's accident. Yeah, and if you enjoy the cycling, you make sure you know use bicycle. Yeah. When you finish the cycling, everyone enjoy the buffet lunch at our restaurant. When you arrive in Ninh Bình, I have a recommend for all of you. You should try goat meat and crispy rice, a signature dishes in Ninh Bình. In addition, we have a lot of dishes for my vegetable if you are vegetarian. Yeah, and buffet lunch is not included drink. If one drink beer or drink juice or maybe drink coconut, you can buy and pay the money for the staff in our restaurant. Yeah, buffet lunch not included drink. Yeah, and I want to have about 45 minutes for buffet lunch, and after lunch I wanna get return to the bus, and the bus will go to Tràng An, and I want to enjoy the boating trip in Tràng An. I think the boating trip is a highlight for the whole tour today. Yeah, everyone will sit on the boat
Natalo na
around
Pilipinas.
2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. Sit on the boat, and the boat will through over 4 caves in the river. Tràng An is perfect combination between the limestone mountain, river, and cave. Yeah, and in 2014, UNESCO recognized the Tràng An for the both its natural and cultural attraction. Yeah, natural and cultural heritage site. And when you finish your boating trip, everyone return to the bus, and the bus will go ahead the final activity. The bus will go to Múa Cave. At Múa Cave, everyone enjoy the
Agribang.
hiking
Ayun yung
in
Agribang
Múa
to.
Cave. You will climb up about 500 steps to the top of Hoa Long Mountain, and same way to down about 1,000 steps. When you arrive at the top of Hoa Long Mountain, you will enjoy the panoramic view of Tam Cốc from above. Yeah, it's very very nice. And I want to have about more than 1 hour for hiking, and after hiking, I want to return to the bus, and the bus will
Walang
back to
end.
Hanoi, and we finish the tour today. The ticket included for you in the 2 bottled waters, is buffet lunch, and the ticket for the all attraction in Ninh Bình. And so now, anyone else have a question for me?
Ay, dogi.
No one have question for me. If you don't have question for me,
Yeah,
and now
nasa
everyone
likod.
take a break and sightsee about more than 1 hour. The bus will arrive at rest station, and thank you everyone for listening. Thank you. Yeah.
Wala. Walang PCX. Yung aso ang cute na sa likod eh. Ayan guys, yung mga motor nila. Kita nyo naman. Yung mga motor pang probinsya. Lalagyan siya ng gano'n. Ayan yung parang best ano nila guys, oh. Yung Bien Pass. Kita niya naman yan. Ayan guys, so kailangan natin maglista. Ang daming Pilipino guys, oh. Karamihan Pilipino ang sakay. Oh my god, ang hilig mag-travel ang mga Pilipino din naman oh. Pilipino, Indiano, Pilipino. Puro Pinoy pala to. Puro Pilipino guys, oh. Ang daming bakasyonistang Pinoy. Ate, si Kitty, kaya mo yan. Ang daming Pinoy pala dito guys. Karamihan sakay dito Pilipino. Majority ay Pilipino. Daming motor oh. Oops, may tatawid. Bisa mo. Parang nakakatakot dito tumawid. Oo. Chamla? Chamla. Parcel ni Kuya. May deliver na si Kuya ng parcel. Dami motor, no? Dami nila guys, so okay. Motor ang pinakamarami. Ayun guys, bus station yata to. Bus terminal pala. Bus terminal. Ito na, ewan ko kung anong lugar to. Dami talaga motor. Mag-8 na dito. user ko. Paikis-ikis yung kanilang drive.